Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now what we're doing today is we're going to clean up the seats in our EL Falcon. As you can see here, the seats are absolutely disgusting and need some serious work. And what we'll be using is the VAX Platinum Spot Wash Spot Cleaner. It is the lone one and it does not belong to me, but I'm going to use it today to clean up the seats in the car. And I'm using the VAX cleaner that you can buy from Bunnings. What I'll do, I'll put a picture of it on the screen here for you to have a look at, along with the price, so you know what we're using to clean up these seats. Now basically how this works is you mix up your cleaning solution and some warm water in this tank here. Then you plug the machine into a power point, and then you use this button here to spray the cleaning solution onto whatever you're cleaning. And then once you've done that, you give whatever you're cleaning a scrub. And then once it's done its sting and it's sat there and soaked the material for a while, you use the actual vacuum part of it here to extract all the dirt and cleaning product from the fabric. And then you just let it dry and hopefully it'll be nice and clean. To make this whole process easier, because I'm also going to clean the carpet and everything else, I'm actually going to take the seats out of the car, but you can easily do this while the seats are in the car. So let's get going and get cleaning. Here we go, we've taken the seats out, and this is the driver's seat, and you can see it is absolutely disgusting. Even the dog is disgusted, I think. Yeah, he's not even going near it. So this is what it looks like. Because this is so dirty, we're going to let this soak for about a minute, and then we'll use a dish brush to agitate it. I mean, this thing's got a built-in brush as well, but we're just going to use a separate... Where's our brush that we got?
Dave took it. It was just here.
He's eating it. Now the dog has stolen our brush. Okay, we might have to go to the shop and buy another brush. Now we've recovered the brush from the dog. If you don't have a dog, you might be able to skip that part. Wow. And now we're just going to brush. There's the brush thief right there. Okay, we're just going to brush. And then brush some more. Because this seat, as you saw, I don't think it's been cleaned in 25 years. Be interesting to see how it comes up. No, don't eat it. Here's the bottom, all done. And have a look at that. That is the after. And that is the before. That difference is absolutely amazing. So what we'll do now, we'll clean this top part. And I won't bother filming that because you guys will probably get bored, and I'll show you when it's all done. Here we go. That is the cleaned driver's seat now. There's a little bit of damage there, which is normal, where you sort of rub when you get in and out of the car. But have a look at that. It still needs to dry overnight at least. We'll let it dry for a few days before we put it back in. We've got a few other jobs that need doing. So there's no rush. We'll just leave this now and let it dry. Here we are, all the seats are now perfectly clean. They have actually turned out amazing, much better than I expected. And here's the driver's seat, which was the worst one out of the lot. And have a look at that, looks great. And I even had this part here replaced. I dropped the seat off at a motor trimmer before I put it back in and after cleaning it. And he's put a new piece in here. Remember there was a hole there and that's now gone. And he's done a pretty good job. That's just a shadow there, that's not anything wrong with it. That looks really good. Very, very happy with that. As you just saw, this thing works really, really well. And the cleaning solution from Bunnings to go with it obviously plays a large part in how well this thing works. And I'm very happy with how clean the car turned out. It's probably the cleanest that it's ever been since it was brand new. Please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.